It's a risky surgery that could mean the difference between life and death.
The patient is 25 years old from Eastern Europe. She searched the world for help. Tonight, Dr. Joe shows us how this young woman found what she calls a miracle right here in Tampa Bay.
Well, Denise, chances are you've had back pain at some time in your life. Stretching and straightening usually makes it better. But imagine a spine so bent far to the side your rib touches your hip and you can't ever stretch out. Hard to imagine, but that's the harsh reality for this young lady you're about to meet.
My name is Tatiana.
It was a plea for help to the world. 25-year-old Tatiana Koljicato turned to YouTube when doctors in her home country of Moldova couldn't stop her suffering by fixing her spine.
Her spine was literally a C.
In 2003, surgeons here in Romania tried to straighten it by surgically placing a metal rod in her back. But you can see in these x-rays that didn't work.
And the rod has broken right at this point here.
And that made her curvature worse.
Right.
Basically, she's curved so much that her ribs are now on her hip.
Exactly.
Compressing her right lung, causing it to lose 70% of its function, putting a strain on her heart. Through an interpreter, Tatiana says she had no money for surgery and was running out of options.
She asked for help in a couple of countries like Russia, France, Ukraine. She tried to ask to find help by herself, but she didn't succeed.
Doctors around the world were willing to donate their time, but hospitals weren't, since surgery would cost $200,000. Still, she refused to give up.
She was, very disappointed and desperate at moments because, she searched for help for such a long time, but that little hope over there was always there.
Bringing her here from Moldova to Tampa Bay, to Dr. Anthony Marino's office. He and a team of doctors surgically removed 2 spine bones and 8 ribs. Tatiana's spine went from looking like this to this. This is her x-ray now after a risky surgery that could have left her paralyzed.
This is probably the most rewarding case I've had in my 12-year career.
Because Tatiana's
Her shoulders are level.
now standing up straight.
She's very emotional right now because she's so happy. And she feels this is like a miracle to her.
Now, to raise money to help even more patients like Tatiana, the local Scoliosis Association is having a walk on April 4th at 9 a.m. at John Chestnut Park in Palm Harbor. We have more information on our website, myfoxtampabay.com. Now, Tatiana's doctor believes this was the first surgery of its kind in Tampa Bay, and it took lots of people from our community to make it happen, like Morton Plant Mease Hospital, Florida Medical Clinic's Dr. Jeff Cronin, and, of course, the Tampa Bay chapter of the Scoliosis Foundation. Cynthia, Denise?
That's just wonderful.
It is. It's great.
Thank you, Jeff.